this quick tutorial I will show you how to direct incoming emails to a folder on AOL Mail. Basically how to redirect somebody's emails to go into a specific folder, and you can do it with the help of a filter that we'll set together in this tutorial. And I want to show you how I done mine. As an example, I have many folders right here and I am interested in the test folder, especially because here I have an email. I will open it. And this is sent from my Yahoo email address. I can check my Yahoo really quick. We are at the send folder and I can see my email sent from here. I put test Yahoo work in the description, and if I go back to my AOL, I can open up that specific email, and as you can see, this is the same email that I sent from my Yahoo, and this email is getting into the test folder, not into my inbox. And I will show you how to do it from scratch. So first let's start with creating a folder. If we scroll here down, we can find new folder. Let's press on it and let's name this folder tutorial for the purpose of this video. Now I'll press on this button and my folder has been created. I have it right here. Now I will show you how to make somebody's email to get into this folder instead of your main inbox. So to make this happen, you have two ways. Either you open somebody's email, and once you've done that, you have to press on more. Now filter on messages like this, select the folder, and I will select the tutorial folder which I created with you earlier. Now I'll press on save, and from now on this email address, all his emails will get into the tutorial folder instead of my inbox. And basically what we did, we created a filter, and we can find this filter if we go to the settings. Now press on more settings, and if we go to filters, I can find my filters right here. Not this one, this is the one which I had with the test folder, but the one underneath has the tutorial folder selected. So this is the filter that we created. If you want to delete a filter, first of all select it. If you click once on it, now what's left to do, press on this trash bin icon and once again press on delete. I will delete all the filters which I have, and also you can make from here this to happen. If you happen to receive an email from them, as an example, you will have to create a filter from scratch. So get here, now press on add filter and type a filter name. You can give it any name which you like to the filter. I just gave some random names, and now at set rules you'll find select a filter criterion. Let's select contains and type a filter value. Here you'll have to type the person email address, basically whose emails you want to get into a specific folder. Once you type his email, get down, all the way down, choose a folder to move to. Select any folder which you'd like. As an example, we can tag this email as family and press on save, and from now on his emails, this person emails, will get into the family folder which I have right here on my main AOL page inside here. So this is how to redirect some emails to go into a specific folder on AOL Mail. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.